Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye BTV. So today in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about what I use for my skin. Since last year, I've been getting questions about what do you do for your skincare routine? What is your skincare routine? What do you put on your skin? I want to start off by saying naturally, I've always had really good skin. My family doesn't have a history of like acne or any of that stuff. So I was born with great skin, like genetically, you know, but as I've gotten older with like healthy eating, like actually let me start by saying not eating healthy, my face used to break out. I'd get like pimples and it was just annoying. So I've kind of learned the trick that I wish a lot of people knew. It starts from inside out. And that's not to say a lot of people, some other people do have problematic skin. I don't have that problem, thank God, but for those who don't have problematic skin and just want to know kind of what I use for my skin to keep it flawless, I'm going to tell you guys. So right now, this is my bare face. I have no makeup on, nothing. I just took a shower, washed my face, put some Nivea lotion on, and that's it. And this is what you guys get. And also I put Vaseline on my lips because my lips are chapped. But this is my skin. This is my everyday look. I go out. I usually 90% of the time don't have makeup on unless I'm just playing with makeup at home or I have like a dinner or just something to go to. So that's mostly when I usually use makeup. But I will tell you guys kind of a bit of what I use on my face daily in the shower, what I use to take my makeup off, and some of the face masks that I use. And they're kind of used already, so you guys are just gonna have to forgive me for what they look like. So starting off, I will tell you guys something that what I use to wash my face, whether I have makeup on or not. I have two different things, and it's crazy because one stays in the shower and the other one stays on the bathroom sink. I don't know why that is, it just happened that way. So when I get in the shower in the morning, 5 out of 7 days, I'll use, this is called this product here, but Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. It removes excess oil without drying, and it's clinically proven to go deep clean your skin. And it's for normal to oily skin. My cousin actually gave this to me, and it works because you can remove oils, you can remove makeup, and you can just use it for your gentle use every day. And that's what I use it for, to be honest. I enjoy it because there's no like certain like scent to it. There's no perfume added. It's just to clean your face, and it's it's the most softening thing ever. Like my face feels amazing. And that's what I use every day, and I just usually put lotion on my face, and that's it. But the days that I do wear makeup, once again, I will use that same product to wash my face before applying my makeup on, just so I can have a clean surface, no oils, and just a perfectly empty canvas. And then once I'm ready to take off the makeup, I either use that same product or I use the Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser, and it's a makeup remover and cleanser in one. This one I don't really like using on my face so much because I feel like it dries it once I take it off, once I have it on. And it's really good for removing makeup, but I feel like you have to use a couple of different things to remove makeup. So after that, and I would take off my makeup, I take this and I clean my face, and after that I also put on a face mask. Now depending on how I'm feeling and how much time I have, I can either, and these face masks are all from the same brand and they're so affordable. These face masks are from Walmart, and I'll tell you guys the brand soon. They were really popular on YouTube about a year ago, but they actually work really well. So if I have time and I'm gonna take a shower after I take off my makeup, I usually use, the brand is called Freeman, so I'll use the Feel Beautiful Polishing Charcoal Black Sugar Gel Mask and Scrub. So this one detoxes your pores, exfoliates for soft skin, and this really makes your skin so soft. So basically, when you get in the shower, you damp your face, you put this on, and you just let it, it gets really warm, and you can just like rub your face gently throughout, and you'll know when it's time to take it off. And it's so nice, like my face feels smooth, it's like taking off all the dead skin, and it's really awesome. So that's one. And then the next one I use is the Peel Off Gel Mask, the pink one. This is the one I use the most. I'm almost out. I need a new one, but I will eventually get one. I mean, there's still some in there, you guys, so I'm just using it till the last drop. I really love this one. This is the one I use the most, and it's a clear peel off mask. You put it on, it gets hard, and you just peel it off, and I love it. I mean, this is the one when I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have a facial day, I feel like I'll like deep condition my hair, then I will put this on and jam out on Snapchat. I'm sure people on my Snapchat hate that I do that, but I don't care, it's my Snapchat. If you haven't followed me on Snapchat yet, make sure you do. All of my social media links are in the description box below, so you guys can follow me on there. So that one I use, and it instantly purifies and refines pores. I don't really have that many pores. I don't have like big pores, so it's just really good. Leaves your skin feeling fresh and nice. And then another one where I feel like just putting on something and letting it dry on my face. So all of these masks have different purposes, and they all dry differently, which I think is cool. This one is the Charcoal and Black Sugar Mud Mask. So same stuff as this, but it is a mud mask instead, and I'm almost out of this one as well. As you can tell, I use these a lot. I've actually had them for a while. Like I said, I don't really do much to my skin. I drink a lot of water. That's one thing I forgot to mention to you guys earlier. Water makes such a huge difference. My skin looks healthy because I nourish my body from the inside out, and that is super important. So if you haven't already done that, make sure that's something that you implement into your daily routine, because it really does matter. People complain about not having dry skin, but people don't drink enough water. You're drinking soda, you're putting all these unhealthy things in your body, and then expecting it to treat you well. Like, that makes no sense. So yeah, I drink a lot of water, and that really helps keep my skin youthful. That way I can just go out and look like this and not care. Not saying that I look bad like this, I don't, but you know. So yeah, this is the last one I use, and that's when you put on. It is gray, I think, yeah. It's like gray, and you put it on and it dries, and you wash. You can wash it off in the shower, you can just wash it in the bathroom sink, depending on what you're doing or what kind of day you're having. And then even after using those masks, because I'm telling you, people say that like certain things are really great makeup removers, but in reality, there's always something left. So I'm out of this specific product, but I use this after my face masks. Like, I'll shower, wash my face, use the face mask. Then this is what I get, like a little, one of those circle pads that you can just use to wipe your makeup off at. And this is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. And this is what I use to take off the rest of my makeup. It's obviously gone. I usually shake it and it's clear, and I would just put it on the little sponge and I just wipe off all the rest of the excess, whether I forgot some underneath my chin or here, just like anywhere that I may have forgotten, or the products that I used didn't really take all the makeup off. This is what I use. And sometimes when I do get out of the shower and I don't necessarily feel like putting lotion on my face, I'll just take one of those little pads and put this on there and wipe it on my face, and it just leaves your face really really soft and moisturized, so you don't need lotion. So those are the things that I use on my face daily. I don't have like a skincare routine, but I do take care of my face, and I just make sure that my skin is healthy and that I'm just giving it what it needs, because it's crazy out here, and I really don't want to be that person. Not that there's anything wrong with it, that wears makeup all the time. I really like my natural face, and I just like being natural. So that's that. hopefully this video helps you guys out a lot. Like I said, I don't have problematic skin, so there's no specific things I take for acne or dry skin or whatever. But you know, if you guys want to have some times where you guys do like facials and whatnot, these are great products. I believe they're about $5 and some change at Walmart in the US. I'm not quite sure how it translates to the UK or other parts of the world, but you can get these at Walmart. I believe you can also get them at Target. That's that. I thought I would finally do this video because people would always tell me to do it, and I just feel like, you know what, I don't really do anything to my skin, but now that I kind of collected things that I use on the daily basis and they really haven't changed, I decided that I would let you guys know and share with you guys what I do. If you guys like these kind of videos, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and just let me know what was your favorite product, what have you used, what do you use for your face, and I don't know, I'm willing to try new things. I really am. See you guys in my next video. Bye.